Did Google just flip the entire AI game on its head? Because what was just unveiled at Google I/O feels less like a tech update and more like a seismic shift. A flurry of AI breakthroughs dropped all at once. And not just gimmicks, we're talking tools that might actually change how humans live, work, and create. Here's the full scoop. No fluff, no filler. First things. First, let's talk money. Let's not sugarcoat it. Google didn't just adjust their pricing model, they lit a match and dropped it on the old blueprint. The former $20 per month Gemini plan has been rebadged as Google AI Pro. No surprises there. But what came next raised eyebrows across the internet. A $250 per month Ultra plan. Yes, you read that right, $250 every single month. For many, that number sounds outrageous. But peel back the sticker shock and something wild appears. This plan unlocks tools that feel less like software and more like a team of elite professionals living inside your screen. A researcher, a designer, a developer, a writer, a video editor, all bundled into one intelligent, responsive package, on demand and always on. But here's the twist. European users currently face a wall of logistical hurdles. Even with VPNs and US accounts, access isn't guaranteed. American users, however, they're already stepping into this future. And judging by what's inside, it may be worth every penny. Meet the genius, Gemini 2.5 Pro. At the heart of this upgrade lies the true crown jewel, Gemini 2.5 Pro Deep Think. Though not available yet, the buzz surrounding it is deafening, and with good reason. Early benchmarks suggest this model doesn't just edge past competitors, it laps them. It's built to reason deeper, compute harder, and respond smarter than anything else currently in public hands. To draw a comparison, OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo is the current benchmark for high-end AI performance. Gemini 2.5 Pro Deep Think is gunning straight for it, and by all indications, it plans to leap over it entirely. While the world waits for Deep Think's release, Google has quietly dropped a second model into the lineup, Gemini Flash. Less costly, yet shockingly capable. Flash is meant for those who want top-tier capabilities without ultra-tier pricing. Fast, responsive, and competent, it brings powerful AI within reach for more users. Deep research and Canvas, AI that actually understands. Here's where Google's update starts to feel intimate. Not just powerful, personal. Let's start with deep research. This feature now accepts enormous amounts of context, 3,000 pages of it. Whole research papers, books, multi-document uploads. Instead of being limited to a few paragraphs of context, users can now feed in real, detailed source material. And Gemini doesn't just acknowledge it, it uses it with startling precision. Take this real-world test. Someone asked Gemini for a recovery plan for tendinitis caused by kite surfing. A pretty niche request, right? And yet the output wasn't generic. It was sport-specific, from muscle recovery techniques to injury prevention exercises directly relevant to kite surfing. Gemini's advice felt like it came from a physiotherapist who moonlights as a surfer. In contrast, ChatGPT generated solid suggestions, but with a broader brush. Good advice, just not as dialed in. On this test, Gemini didn't just win, it understood. And then there's Canvas. Think of Canvas as an intelligent, collaborative digital workshop. Part code editor, part visual builder. More than just writing functions, it displays them, graphically, interactively, and beautifully. In a prompt to build a 3D interactive solar system, Gemini responded with glowing visuals, planetary tabs, zoom animations, orbit simulations, and subtle lighting effects. The kind of immersive interaction that felt more like a science museum exhibit than a browser tool. Canvas feels like it was built for creators. And for the first time, the code isn't just text, it's alive. Flow Studio, lights, camera, AI magic. If there's one feature that captures the future with cinematic flair, it's this. Flow Studio. This isn't just a video editor, or a sound generator, or an animation tool. It's all of them combined. Flow lets users type a prompt like a cat in a hat, typing on a keyboard, and then watch that scene come to life. Not just visually, but with full sound design. The subtle clack of keys, background ambience. even camera pans and lighting changes. And no, it's not perfect. Some clips still wander into surreal territory. Think, a cat with 3 arms casually breakdancing. But perfection isn't the point. Creative freedom is, and Flow delivers it in real time. There's more. Users can stitch multiple scenes together, choose character styles, set environments, and even assign audio layers. Reference images can be uploaded and used as foundational visual elements. Entire sequences can be scripted, designed, and previewed without switching apps or needing professional software. For artists, filmmakers, YouTubers, educators, or anyone with a visual story to tell, this changes everything. Search just got smarter. Google Search has undergone brain surgery, and the result? AI mode. It ditches the ad-saturated, link-heavy interface and replaces it with clean, contextual answers. It adapts to what's being searched. It can summarize, analyze, and soon, it might even build custom tools right in the search result. Try on AI, changing the fitting room forever. Shopping online always came with a catch, guessing the fit, the fabric, the way a dress or jacket would sit on the shoulders. But now, Try on AI eliminates the guesswork. Upload a photo, choose a product, and in seconds, Google overlays it onto a 3D model of the shopper's own body. The result? A realistic simulation that shows how that outfit would actually look. Lighting, texture, shadows, and all. No more wondering if it will look the same in real life. Now users can try it virtually, right from a Google search result. It's seamless, it's fast, it's the most futuristic fitting room ever made, and it's going to redefine how people shop online. Project Mariner, your AI intern that actually learns. Repetitive digital tasks may have finally met their match. Project Mariner is Google's answer to AI-powered automation. But unlike past tools, it doesn't just follow commands, it learns them. This isn't about scripting macros or building complex workflows. It's about teaching. All you have to do is show Mariner how to complete a task, say 5 times, and it can repeat it 20 times, accurately. Across applications, on its own. Think about filling out forms, uploading reports, scheduling messages, or renaming files. Show the process once and Mariner takes over from there. It works like an AI intern with an amazing memory and 0 complaints. Currently available as a Chrome extension, Mariner is exclusive to Ultra Plan users, but its potential is far-reaching. That's what makes it powerful. Google Meet, real-time translation is coming. The global conversation is about to get a whole lot easier. In an upcoming release, Google Meet will introduce real-time translation between English and Spanish. 2 people, 2 languages, 1 fluid conversation, live. This isn't the clunky, delayed translation of old. This is direct, instant communication. A bilingual bridge built right into the meeting itself. No third-party apps, no technical barriers. Just a natural dialogue with automatic subtitles and real-time voice translation. For businesses, educators, global teams, and even personal calls, this is a glimpse into a world where language differences no longer matter. And it's only the beginning. Google Labs, the AI playground. Google Labs just became the hottest spot for testing tomorrow's tech today. With over 20 new experimental tools, it's part innovation lab, part sandbox, and part magician's workshop. Here are a few standouts. Jules, an AI coding assistant that connects to GitHub and acts like a team of junior developers, writing code, analyzing pull requests, and contributing across branches. SynthID, a digital truth detector that can identify AI-generated images and videos, even when altered. GenType, a font generator that turns any phrase into a custom stylistic font built with AI precision. Project Astra. 2, a futuristic, real-time assistant now embedded directly into mobile apps, blending voice, image, and context in live interaction. Many of these tools are free to use and available right now at Labs, where Google's wildest AI concepts take their first steps. Gemini and Chrome, the smart browser. Soon, even the browser will be AI native. Gemini is coming to Chrome and it's bringing intelligence to every tab. With a click, users will be able to summon Gemini to assist with whatever's on the page. Summarize articles, explain terms, reword emails, and even interact with videos or voice content. It's like having a personal assistant that lives inside every website, a built-in co-pilot for the web. This feature isn't live yet, but it's part of a broader transformation. Google isn't just adding AI to tools. It's rebuilding the entire experience around intelligence, fluidity, and assistance. The browser, once a window into the internet, is now becoming a partner in navigating it. The takeaway: this isn't just an update. This wasn't about features. It was about the future. Google didn't play catch-up. It leapt ahead. With tools for creators, developers, shoppers, and researchers, it redefined what everyday AI can do. And the competition is on edge because the AI race just hit warp speed, and Google is in the pilot seat.